Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Novia Serli Triaamanda, NPM 21610202. Okay, I will explain a little about the text of Unit 7 and Unit 8. The first, I will explain about time, future time, past time, and present time. Yes, time is a series of moments when the process of action or situation takes place. The express passing time, you can use the word British, past, of, after, USA, past. And to express less can use to, British, or of, USA. Generally, when we talk every day, it is less usually use EM and PM. Usually us in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, at night. Example, Budi is eating bread at noon. It used the word in the afternoon instead of PM. Example, it is 1 o'clock, it is 2 o'clock, it is 3 o'clock, it is 7 past 11. Okay, the second, I will explain about prefer. Prefer is explain to express, so is to show that someone prefer one thing on thing over other thing. The meaning of prefer is usually to compare something. For example, I prefer to read than write the word. I prefer the meaning to compare between reading and writing. Okay, therefore we must remember the turn usually in making sentences. Okay, the first, the word like plus noun and verb ing is followed by better than and with a noun and verb ing. For the second one, so if there is a word prefer, the partner must be two and is always followed by a noun and verb ing either behind the prefer or to. Okay, the third one, would rather. Would rather is always followed by first verb, so the form is followed by the first verb, then its partner is then. And the last one, would prefer, is always followed by a to verb or to an infinity name. What prefer must be followed by a to verb. Then is partner rather than, and followed by a first verb. Okay, this is an example of pattern 1. Name, like, and noun. Remember, the verb ing here is a noun this. Partner must be better than. Then another noun. No, you have to remember here there is an ing verb. The back of it must also be an ing verb, so it can be one noun, one ing. She like reading better than reading. Prefer studying and hanging out, so prefer always pair with to. I would rather walk than run. Remember, the pair would rather is than, and it is always followed by first verb. Would prefer to stay at home rather than swim on the water. Remember, prefer if there is a word prefer, always followed by first verb. There must be a to then. The partner must be rather than. Here you can just then. This pattern shall not be reversed. And yes, like pairing with better than. Prefer the pair with to. Would rather pair with than, and would prefer pairing with rather than. Remember? Okay, that's all can say. If there is a wrong word, please just me ending. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.